maybe oh no, okay. So if you for Shavinas and also Lin, right? We have this in our shareholder also, which consists all of the list of company and stock that we already did analysis before. So you can see here what is the recommendation here, and also what is the target price. Okay, so in tip ranks, tip rank is the group of the analysis and portfolio manager, and we also put our portfolio inside to compete with them to see how is our performing. So we have starting since August last year, so it's already 7 months, right? So during those 7 months, we managed to beat the average of the so-called expert, but also in few months we also lost. This is because we are heavily in the technology share, but it's okay because we are learning and keep improving. So for now, in every Friday, we will review this portfolio and see which one we want to add and which one we want to throw. So, so let's restart. The first one is the PXJ, which is oil and gas service ETF. So this one is not a stock, it's a ETF. And so far, since we buy it in, I think end of February, right? So it's already profit 9%. So I think we just skip this until the Ukraine crisis is over, because I think everywhere we heard the news that the gasoline price is going so high, even double in the US and also in Singapore. Okay, next one is AMAC precious metal. Currently, we bought it in end of February. Still stagnant. I think currently still minus 3.5%. What do you think, that this one?
See now.
Okay, sure.
AMX, is
it? AMRK. Are you sharing something?
AMRP. And this is by systems. So we see whether still sustain on this one. I think if I say the commodity price go up, this one can go up. Now still Heiken actually still with don't know where is the direction, but it's still uptrend.
Oh, so it's still uptrend.
Yes. Yes. But, yeah.
Okay. Next one is gold. So now I think gold is becoming a safe haven for the investor. So yeah, I think during war and also the inflation, I think a lot of investor will keep their money on gold. So we just keep it also. Next one is the Russia ETF. Why we bought it? Because we believe that the war between Ukraine and Russia should not be that long, and when they dip here, we're expecting it to rebound back. But unfortunately, until now, it's the situation haven't resolved yet, even after almost 1 month right now. So yeah.
We exit
So
right last week.
Hmm?
We exit right. I think last week we exit.
Yeah, sorry, we already exit. Oh, we're still here.
No, it's closed. Not open.
Okay. So next one is the UUP, which is the Invesco US dollar index. So it's equivalent as a dollar, right? So
this is comparison between the USD against the basket of other currency like pound sterling or euro and Japanese yen. So I think now it's a stronger dollars because of the higher interest rate. And also one of the safe haven other than gold.
next one is the SPDN, which is the opposite of SP 500, but I think looks stagnant during this war period. So do you want to look at this?
This is the reverse of the S&P 500. I think still bearish. So still okay.
Okay. Next one is the SQQQ, which is the short for Nasdaq, right? So far still negative minus 2.7%. So I think because of the overall Nasdaq also quite stagnant.
So a bit recovery Nasdaq because of Amazon and also the others when
Amazon
because of
split
the
stock.
yeah, correct. Or also the ISI oversold buying.
Okay, so just keep it.
Yeah, correct.
Next one is the SARK, which is the opposite of the ARK Innovation ETF by Katie Wood. So far still stagnant also, 1.2%. So should be okay lah.
Growth company still suffering. I think should be okay.
Oh,
This is our hedging. These three short index is our hedging.
so growth is still going down, right? Okay. Next is financial technology company Sophie. Yeah, even though it's a financial, but it's considered as growth, so still negative 18.2%. Do you want to take a look at this or?
Okay, we buy this one. Last time, right? Yeah.
Yeah, because of the good result of the earning, they got some jump here, but then it keep going down afterward. You want to take a look? Or
use Heiken. I think now it's in the support region. It's still bearish.
Still bearish. So we just take it off.
See over here. So Heiken is IC itself keep dropping. And here also still bearish. And there's a resistance here. To present the RSI to be more than 650. So as long as this one is still going on here, right? Any rebound would be pullback. And here also the momentum down is getting higher. So most likely it is below. It is breaking this support. See, this one is the even below the IPO price. You can see here and here. Yes, it's like the descending triangle. So this triangle and this descending. So this is like China. Once this one break to $9, is keep dropping. Yeah, it's a lower. The momentum is down.
But it's meeting the support. So
See whether it's no even bounce back, right? Could be pulling back again.
So you think there's a chance we're going down? So we just release this stock, or
I think we see the weekly. Yeah, weekly. Not that nice. And can Ashi weekly still and also this one the momentum is no longer doji, it is a full weekly. That is. Yeah, financial stock sell down now because of financial stock sell down. You can ask Abdul. Abdul, what do you think?
here, Abdul.
Yeah, from the daily chart, it looks like trying to form a bowl. Well, we already in, is it?
Which one is it?
Already in, or we want to go in?
The in.
You're in since February, 1 month plus. Already lost 18%.
I think if short term might bounce back to 11, around 11. Maybe we wait first. Then if we want to sell at 11.
It's either sell at the 11 at the here, or
Yeah.
sell at the once back out then sell.
Yeah.
Once back out from this support, then we sell. So there are two trigger point. One is when it's bounce back, reaching this SMA 20 or this also downtrend resistance, we sell, or this is below this, breaking the support. Support at 920.
Do you know what price we enter for this counter?
February, right?
$12.
I think this one, the support is not that strong because
strong.
the support is only this recently only, the old support is not there. We don't have the historical support.
Yeah, I mean, It's just a matter of timing only, but the sentiment is bearish. So you either want to cut loss now or you want to wait for the bounce and sell. Which one is the approach we want to use?
But this one is considered finance company. So if interest rate high, should be up also, right? But it's the opposite way.
But it is the growth, is it?
Growth lah, growth.
This one.
Nasdaq, yeah.
There is still a coming concern for interest rate hike, no?
Sorry? Next week, 16 March.
Oh, then we just hold, as Abdul say, maybe just wait and see.
Maybe that one can become a positive momentum for this. Maybe it's a gambling.
A bit gambling. Fundamental price $7.
$7. Wah. I think sell first lah. I think waiting for the below 7.
PE how much? I think a lot of our growth stock last time we didn't account for the high PE, right? I mean,
No, this is not PE one.
Oh,
It's
Because
a bank.
oh, okay.
no, but price per sales is 4. It's quite steep.
Okay lah, now you make the call. Sell.
Okay. So, say the bearish momentum, weak support, right? So fundamentally, the price only $7. Okay, so
Just the weak support is forming the descending triangle.
okay, I think next one after Sophie will be Vanguard Financial ETF. This one we are expecting to profiting from high interest rate, but so far we still losing 9.8 thing because of the Ukraine war, right? So we just keep it, right?
In Swift. Russia out from the Swift.
Russia out from the SWIFT, yeah, this is also one of the factor. So we just keep it, right, for this fund. Okay. Next one is Wells Fargo, which is a bank. So far still minus 15%. So we just keep it also, right, for all the.
We need to see whether it is bearish or not.
Okay.
They just bearish crossover, and here just below SMA 200. Yeah, but still have to see whether, yeah, it's not really bullish because bullish a bit then doji for the candle, so it's not strong momentum up. We need to see, but it's already below SMA 200. Let me see the oil candle. Yes, same. So just above this hammer, once hitting the support, then bounce up. But this one is quite bearish.
WFC here.
Bearish. Then to wait on blue. Oh, the rest. I don't like this kind of M. This M. Oh, this is maybe forming the what's the head and shoulder. Is it?
Sorry,
Agreed.
what? That's the entry price again? Yes.
Yes. What's your MT price?
See, for this one, bank is not easy to calculate.
No. What's your entry price when you enter?
Oh, entry price. Sorry, I heard target price. Entry price is at the 57.
Yeah.
This one, Fargo affected by Russia.
Oh yeah, the reason why financial sector crashing also because of a lot of investment in Russia.
Oh,
I mean, that's something.
Because financial sector invest in Russia in terms of in terms of bond or or stocks.
Yeah, I mean, that's the part we cannot foresee.
it's external factor.
Yeah, I mean, that kind of factor very hard to gauge from the technical.
Fundamental target price is at 61. It's under value lah.
Okay. I think it's still going down from weekly chart.
Looks like.
I think we said that when there is some if there's some selling signal, this is one bearish crossover, and this one it is below SMA 200. Then we can exit lah. If not, we suffer like the gold sector. Right?
So we monitor next week lah.
We have still JP Morgan, right?
Yeah, still have. we have JP Morgan, Goldman Sachs, Wells Fargo. So just wait until next week lah, right? Interest rate.
I think we wait for Wells Fargo lah. JP Morgan we can sell lah. I think this one not so good. The chart of the Wells Fargo is better than JP Morgan. Correct or not?
JP Morgan target price is 176 for fundamental. 170 lah, around 170.
Yeah. I think this one still bearish lah, the JP Morgan.
Still bearish.
I think you sell at JP Morgan, we maintain the Wells Fargo.
Okay. So bearish momentum, right? And
already below SMA 200. The already bearish trend setup means 200 is below, is above 50 and 50 above 20.
SMA 200 below SMA 50.
Above.
Okay, sorry.
You just put and above SMA 20.
That is?
No, 50 above 20.
Oh,
You
okay.
continue.
Okay. Okay. So next one is Wire. This is what we call it, infrastructure stock, right? For wiring. We buy it after good trend run, but then getting stagnant and going down minus 14%. So we just skip it, right?
Yeah, can skip because now it's above 50.
Above, okay. Yeah, target price is around 40% upside. So next one is iShares short treasury bond. This is same as equivalent with money lah.
Cash.
Cash, yeah, cash. Okay. So as Doni mentioned, cash is a king. Okay, so next one is Meta platform. We buy it because we believe in potential of the metaverse investment, right? But I think there are few negative story because of the misearning, loss of the income from advertisement because of Apple, and also some, I think, some negative publicity. So we down almost half but luckily only 3% of our portfolio, not so big. For Facebook or Meta, do you want to see them or we just move on?
Okay, because I believe a lot of people owns Meta. So we see together.
All right.
Yeah, this last time I so still we say broadening triangle increase volatility, but it is I think there's some gap here. We wait until consolidation. I think here quite strong support. So far haven't reached 190. I think due to Russia politics, right? I think Russia asked Facebook to ban the campaign against them, etc. I think Facebook play politics here. I mean, including the banning Facebook from Russia and even European also. Let's see. It's so long already still under this oversold territory. Haven't wake up yet. We wait lah until this one. If breaching this support, then we just sell 190, 189. You see the wow. Any comment? Any comment? It's a
I think
weekly.
yeah, I also agree to keep because in the long term, I think it for the metaverse investment should be repay back lah. And also a lot of analysts put target price above $300.
I also hope.
It's a money making machine, even though
Actually, I believe because they have a lot of cash, it's some kind of haven also. They can afford to
Can bounce.
yeah,
Then this one can bounce because it's already oversold. So I mean the RSI oversold territory. 19. I think can bounce. Maybe you can add yourself. You can dollar cost averaging, right?
oh okay. So yeah, I can add more Facebook. So we add another how much? 1 million.
I think 500K lah.
Now it's 1 and 5. Sorry. 2564, right? And now is 5. So should be 8542, right? Okay. So next, we have two more, I think. NVIDIA. I think this one should be safe lah. Quite stagnant, -3%. Okay.
Yeah.
And last one will be KLA, Tencor. Also, okay, it's not stagnant, but yes, so relatively going down in March. Okay, let's take a look. Is there any news? I don't think there's any news related KLA. Term of checklist, as we see here, all past the cash flow because of the, I think, some investment. And chip shortage could last up to 2023. Right.
I think Silicon outlook good.
Yeah, by right should be good, right? But they're quite stagnant lah, compared to other sector.
What other sectors? The commodities?
Energy,
PNG, yeah.
energy.
Oh, energy.
Actually, I think personally now is a good time to start accumulating. I mean, not one time, but slowly for the second time. I don't know. Just it looks attractive.
Adding more.
I don't know how many counter. I just add the global foundries. This
AMD.
Thank you, Abdul.
and the ASML finally dropped.
Yeah, SML. Yeah, you're right. I also heard this before. A lot of people mention about this 600 now.
Because this is the sole maker of the 2 nano technology equipment.
And I think just last week, TSMC announced that they already planning for production for 5 and 3 nanometer faster than initial plan. So it's really good news for SML. Yeah, I think we can add SML also.
Let's see the checklist for SML.
Sorry. It's a money-making company.
have a big drop in the last few days, but I think it's a good time to start accumulating and not all in, but start accumulating.
Okay. Yeah, I agree. I don't maybe you want to see the chart or no need. Skip still going up, going down.
Going on. Just what's it? It's a dev cost.
they yeah, it just trust. But this is this sorry, yeah, 608. I think it's a significant level. If you look back.
Yeah, that's why here is a significant. That's why as long as holding on this one should be okay.
So it's not recommend to go in first, right?
We wait until next week
Okay, sure.
because we don't know the direction either here or above.
Okay. Okay, thanks. Okay, we only have 15 minutes left. So I think that's all of our portfolio.
We stock to update or not?
So in conclusion, we only have we only kick out Sophie and JP Morgan. And also, okay, maybe we just go to the shortlist. Okay, from Lin, he suggests this Bank of America. Maybe you want to take a look down quickly. In terms of target price, I think same as JP Morgan and just now Wells Fargo, right, is undervalued. Okay, sorry. Upside 20%. BAC.
Yeah, can you show
$40 to $50, around 20% upside. And for the checklist, negative cash flow, I think it's pretty good for financial institution.
to be okay.
Yeah. So this is the chart. Huh?
The ROE is so big, 1,200.
So big.
The ROE, return on equity. Yeah, I think still varies. But it's rebound.
ROE in Morningstar is 12%. Not sure why it's maybe got some system error, but
Yeah, I think bounce back. I think this one, the MACD also bullish.
so is it good? It's good. It's rebounding.
We see. We see next week. What's the direction?
Okay, sure. Next one, CrowdStrike, CRWD.
You can show the fundamental.
It's a hot sector lah, cybersecurity, and it's up, I think, more than 10% after earning. So how it looks like. Revenue growth is 63% and pass all our growth criteria. think cyber security is become hot sector nowadays. Yeah, quarterly and annually trends looks really nice, and it's beat earning. Oh, I don't have. If using discounted cash flow is negative. Done. Tony?
They were the bullish back to SMA 50.
Oh, very good. Huh?
Yes. So no, this is the good because now Russian war is not only physical war; it's a cyber war. So
Cyber war, yeah.
so it benefited from the cybersecurity companies. So I think short term is we can be bullish. See, almost cost over.
In long term, cybersecurity also trend is quite good. I will just monitor next week lah.
Yeah.
Next one, Exxon.
Yeah, this is like oil waiting for pullback. Pretty dodgy for a few times.
Oh, no good.
I can actually wait until pullback. And also MACD also going down, bearish, and also ISI going to 60. Still overhit.
Overhit, okay.
Yeah. We wait until next week, maybe few candles. What was the direction? So we pull back to S&P 20 first.
Okay, Ken. Thank you. So I think the last item will be investment idea from anyone. Just feel free if you have anything you want to us to review together.
How about gold?
Go. We have the
how for example, if the situation remains like this, how high can it go? 2,200.
mana tuh dah?
Pertama,
Ente mute. Don't.
especially with the stagflation theme.
I think this one like you can actually also bearish. Go. You can actually.
Going to pull back in the next few days.
Yeah, pull back first. So go back to the going to pull back to S&P 20. It's quite far. Pull back to 179. So maybe pull back to the support here. 176.
When it goes nearer to the MA50, we consider. Actually, I want to go in.
I think not in the moment. It's not quite far from SMA 20.
Maybe in the lower 1900. If I want to go in, probably in at low 1900, maybe 1920, 1915 like that.
What's the 100? What's the how about GLD?
Oh, sorry. This one's using the SPD. You see GC though for the futures price plus yeah.
Well,
Yes, you can. Yeah, that one. But for
Yeah.
the now it's M. For the one April. This one is on using rupees, is it? Hello?
I don't know what's the direction. I never used this one before.
Have the US dollar one. Or type GC, GC. There, gold futures format, yeah. April.
Same shape, right?
Yeah. So it means if the stagflation says the gold will perform well, right?
Yes, it's not in the not the time to enter.
Okay. So if the gold run, the thing is done, no, right? There should still be plenty of upside.
Yeah, still need to pull back first.
Okay.
Go back to SMA 20. Okay, same TLD is the same shape.
SMA 20 is quite far off.
Wow, I just saw the notification. All China stock down. Neo, Baidu, JD, Alibaba.
Yes, correct. It's due to delisting because once China follow Russia, right, with that embargo war, so maybe they ask the company listed in US to do delisting.
Yeah. Okay. I think that's all right tonight. Is there anyone want to say or share something or ask something? If not, then I think we can end here.
Right.